Hey guys, how's it going? If you got a new iPhone and you want to sign up with your new Apple account, here's a step-by-step guide on how to sign up with Apple ID. Click the settings right here. And then what you're going to do, go ahead and click the Apple account. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and sign in or sign up manually. If you don't have an Apple account, you can just go ahead and click right here and enter your first name and last name. Okay. And the date of birth. Let's say, 2000. Okay. Hit next, and of course enter the email address. This will be your new Apple account. Okay. iCloud. Now forget to type iCloud for that step. Okay. And turn that off if you don't want any news from iCloud. And then continue, right? And as you can see right here, it's taken. Just go ahead and follow along the steps and add your own account, right? And then you're gonna be able to start entering your iCloud and your passcode in facial recognition information. So for me, I already have an account, but in your case, I already showed you how it's done. Go ahead and sign up manually, and they will require, of course, some of the information like your ID or something like that in some countries and regions. But in your case, you don't have to worry. You're gonna be able to sign in smoothly. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.